This is Lesson 8, Session 1 assignment. So you need to be on page 179. And we're going to start with number 1. Just think about what you know about these rates. Fill in each box. Use words, numbers, and pictures to show as many ideas as you can. So first, constant of proportionality. That is the same as rate or slope. So it's just called the constant of proportionality when it's a proportional relationship, but it's the same thing as rate or slope as we talked about before the break. So here the unit rate in a proportional relationship. So how much is it going up for every unit? Some examples: y equals 1/2 x. Remember this 1/2 right here. We said that was the rate or the slope. That's also called the constant of proportionality. Next, proportional relationship. Again, before break, we talked about that. The relationship between two quantities where the quantity is a constant multiple of the other quantity. The graph of proportional relationship is a straight line that passes through the origin. So as a quick reminder, there were two characteristics of a proportional relationship. One goes through zero, zero. Two has a constant rate. So those are your two characteristics of a proportional relationship. And then example here goes through 0, 0 right down here, and then is a straight line, so it has a constant rate. And then a review from 6th grade, unit rate is the numerical or numerator when written as a fraction part of the rate. So basically this is the numerator when the denominator is 1. So it's whatever value over 1. Oops. So in the rate 30 miles per hour, the unit rate is 30. So it's every 30 miles in 1 hour. Okay, number 2. You need to answer questions A, B, and C. And then on number 3, I'm going to help you fill out the graph, but then you'll need to write a proportion to go with it to do the answer. This right here is going to be our x-axis. This right here will be our y-axis. So this is y. This is x. And here it says make a graph showing the change in the dolphin's distance over time. How far does the dolphin swim in 1 second? So we want distance over time. Remember, when we do this, it's always y over x. So since we want distance over time, y has to be the distance. And right here it says our distance is in meters. So we'll put meters right there. Over time, so this is time. And our unit for time is seconds. So we'll put seconds. Now our distance, we have to go to 55, so I'm going to have to count by something other than 1. So I'm going to count by tens. So we'd have 10, 20, 30, so on. And then our seconds, we can count by ones. Now, for this to be proportional, the dolphin will have gone 0 meters in 0 seconds. So our first point is going to be at 0, 0. Then they give us the next rate, which is 55 meters in 5 seconds. So we go up to 55, and then over to 5 seconds, and it's right here in the middle. And we draw our line. So what you need to do now, it's hard to tell exactly from the graph how far the dolphin goes every second. So we will need to write a proportion. Remember, when you write a proportion, you take the information they give us. So we want distance over time. So we have 55 meters in 5 seconds. We want the unit rate, so you need to figure out how far the dolphin can go in 1 second. Once you've done that, write your solution as a sentence. We are not going to do part B. So as soon as you get 3A done, make sure your name is on the front page here. And if you want to leave it stable, that's fine. Just make sure this page is on top, and then go put it in the turn-in basket